Here we have a Smith & Wesson 4-inch barrel 460V.
It's a 5-inch barrel.
Whatever. 4 or 5-inch barrel 460V. Here we're going to take a look at the ammo. We got Federal. No. Okay. This is Hornady ammunition. Let's see what this is. Oh, look at that bad boy. No, that's Casull. We don't want that. We got it. Let's see. 460 Smith & Wesson mag. That means that's 460 inches in diameter.
4,600 of it.
Something like that. It is big, man. This is a big bullet. Okay, let's see here. Look at these things. They're like little rockets, as a matter of fact. Anyway, dude, that's a big bullet.
Look at the case. Look
at that case. That's a big bullet. Let's take this and we'll just compare it to the next size down bullet. The next size available in the United States is this one right here, which is the the 22 LR. Okay, so what we're going to be shooting these out of is the venerable 460V, and hold on, let me get. And then its little brother.
I don't know if I can shoot that little NAA with the gloves on.
Well, you don't have to shoot it with gloves on. Hey, no, will you put that beside that so we can get a comparison for our viewers? Will that actually fit inside the trigger? Can you fit that through?
Maybe.
Okay. Anyway, so these are the two guns that we're going to be comparing today. Can we compare the bullet, the round, the 460 round, to the NAA itself? Okay, that's kind of upside down, but you guys get the drift.
You're just careless with those guns, man. This thing's loaded.
Here we go.
Dude, I wonder how deep this thing went.
I know, I should have gone through the whole phone book.
Dude, what the hell?
Wait, go to the page where it...
What the hell, dude?
That's definitely a 45 size hole. Man, that shit's weak as hell.
9 pages.
Let's try that 22.
You ready?
Uh-huh. Do it again, do it again. All right. Hold on, let me, it's not focused in, so let me let it focus here. Okay, it looks like you hit him in his right foot.
Aiming for that foot. That was the first shot. That was the second shot.
Why do you shoot so low, man?
I'm a dork.
Dude, that went through the whole book.
It did not.
Hell yeah, it did. Oh my God. Wait, show it. I can't see it through.
What the hell, dude?
That little NAA is pretty powerful, man.
That is freaking ridiculous, dude. Dude!
That's a little powerful little gun, man.
That is insane. Dude, look at the freaking exit.
That's incredible, man. Where's the entry? Right there, and the exit. Holy shit.
I was expecting, you know,
that's amazing, man. These little things are more powerful than those damn things. I would never thought that with a fireball like that. Did it have any kick to it?
A little bit, I guess.
Huh. Interesting.